Time to go swimming. It's so safe here. Nothing can ruin it. Oh, sup, shark? Hey, bro, there's a shark in here. I don't really trust that. Hop in. Holy, he's fast. I'm gonna go kill the shark.
Oh, okay.
Ugh, man, I love it on this hot air balloon. Bro, why are you trying to kill yourself?
Hell.
Fine, get up.
Ah!
No!
Dark
He
magic.
totally didn't get up by gravity. He got up from his superpowers.
Yeah, I'm the
Okay,
spirit
let's
of
see.
ice.
Let's feed the shark. Where is the sharky? This is my favorite part of this trip. The feeding sharky. Where's the biggie sharky? Is he below us? Well, I'm gonna drop this fish and he's gonna come. Oh, I see him. Oh, he just ate it. Oh no,
Hey.
Biggie!
Hey, don't push me in. Don't push me in.
I'm pushing you in.
Ah!
Ah!
I'm back.
Going. Mm. Mm. Ah! 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 I'm gonna catch you. No, no. Oh, is that a creature? What? It's a shark! Ah! Bro, have you heard about Nosy?
Yeah. Do you think he's real?
I don't know, bro. ChatGPT says there's no evidence, so we don't really know.
Oh.
Oh,
Hey, I have
but
a gift for you.
I hate
Hollow
Citra.
purple.
What the frick? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. You got swords? I got a blicky.
Yo, I got hollow purple.
Get
Ooh,
out.
that's the geese. Dumb.
Is this normal? Crossbow and an arrow?
Akka. Ow. Mazatala.
Help me! Help me! H1C is 1
Dumb.
so Cian Sawa.